Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Ito yung content mukbang or kainan na okoy, tsaka biscuit. May rice tayo dito, tsaka may Japanese tea. Sa kabilang dako, we're playing the video of Ma'am Hana Nona. Yan, cute vlogger. Yan, cute vlogger. And then, sa kabila naman, we're playing. So shout out Hana Nona. I'm playing your video now. Yan. Tut, 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 tut. So, sa kabila, sa big screen, we're gonna play Fish 1999. So, later, sila yung TV, monitor. Yon si Ma'am Shen dito naman sa kabilang cellphone, I'm playing Ma'am Shen's Fitful Encounter. Yan, Shen. So, every mag-vlog ako, every time I have a new vlog, I always played and shut out, promote the video of Ma'am Shen. Then we have also our member. Pag membro ko, unahin ko talaga sila si Ma'am Fatima Shahida. Shout out ma'am, playing your video 4 hours and 50 minutes. So please help Ma'am Fatima for reaching the watch hour. Then sa kabila naman, si Phil Rocks, yan, si Rock and Roll, playing for right now. Shout out din si Ma'am Living After 50s, yan, si Ma'am Living After 50s, shout out ma'am. Tapos si yung palagi kong piniplay din si Pink 96 Lover. Makalimutan ko talaga yung pangalan. Saka ito pala si Fish 1999. Okay, ito yung mga videos niya. Ito yung pictures natin ngayon. Ito yung vlog niya. Ito. Mag-play tayo yung isa. Yan, ito. Yan. Okay, this one. I will play your video on the big screen, Mr. Whitey Friends Fish 199. Okay. Okay, yan. So now our video is loading. So, so Fish 199, shout out. And then shout out. We have to shout out also our this is the video of Fish 199. So please check this video, guys. I will give you a link on my description. Subscribe and watch his video. Justice or disaster. Ganda to. Concert to. It's a concert anyway. So shout out Shen. Basta in the intro of my video, shout out ko yung mga member ko, si Drawn from Life. Yan, shout out. This is my member, Drawn from Life. Yan. Si Fatima, yan. Dalawa sila. Okay. Shout out din natin si Living After 50s. Yan. Sukit din yan. Si Ma'am Shen. Yan. Shout out. Basta membro. Fish 199. Hindi ko sa membro pero sukit ko rin yan. Ma'am Susana. Tapos kayo na sila. Yan. Bagong yan. Si Hana Nuna. Yan. Suki yan. Hindi membro pero suki. Daily yan nagpi-play sa atin. Kaya shout out din at saka si Ma'am Hanify. Palagi ko itong shout out sa piniplay. Si Hanify, si Ma'am Fatima, si Drawn from Life, yan si Living After 50. Yan, concert pala si ko, no? Yung Fish 1999. Okay. So si Phil Rock, yan. Shout out. Si Si Lilian Bordados. Yan. Kasi Mikot Netizen. Yan. Kasi yan, si Ems Apo. Christy Nicola, shout out. So, si Hanatob, palagi to sa atin. Yan. Si Ronald the Farmboy, shout out. Si Lourdes Masin, yan, shout out. Kayong singer natin na Filipino singer din, si Ernesto Gutlay. Okay. So, tapos na yata yung play ko sa kabila. So, I'm playing with Ma'am Shen. Okay. So, let's play also to Mr. Caballero Idim. Big shout out for you. And si Phil Rock, dito na, si Phil Rock. Okay. So, Ernesto Gutlay, palagi kayong piniplay. Yan, Ernesto Gutlay. We're watching your friend also, Fish1999. Friend nito ni Gutlay, whitey friend. Si Wow Karachi, yan. Si Halap Haris. Shout out sa inyo ha. Si ito, Strive Academy. Let's do it, girl. Okay mo tayo, guys. Play mo natin si Montazur. Yan. Montazur collection where I'm playing your video now. Let's watch the video of Fish 109. Sci-fi short. Yun lang yung Oslo, Norway. Okay, rock and roll. Hindi tayo maka-sounds kasi magka-copyright tayo. Yun lang, charot. Texas 2x2. Take my love. Two of my partner, what do, darling? Yep. Yummy, yummy. Because 1999, shout out. Playing your video now. Again, Montazur collection. Caballero. Felix Rock, tapos na. Okay. Pwede tayo ng isa. I will playing now Libaston program. Yan. Meron siyang ads, Libaston program. Ito i-promote ang kanyang Libaston program. Shout out, yan. Ito no, si Poker, maganda yung video niya. Loading lang, so kaya mo na while waiting for that one.